Hey, are you getting tired of the same old boring ways to make money? Do you want to try something new and exciting? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get paid $20 every 2 minutes typing Captchas. Let's get into it. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, give me a like, share this video, and be the first one to comment on all my videos. And once I reach 9,000 subscribers, I'm going to randomly pick the first comment, and that person's going to win the free money. Now let's get into this video. Okay guys, I'm at this website. Name of this website is Captcha, and this is a captcha solving service. Now if you don't know what a captcha is, on a lot of websites, when you're logging into an account, they're going to have some letters or numbers that you need to solve. It kind of looks like this. So if you can figure out the letters or numbers, you just type it, and if you get it right, you're able to log into the account. So on this website, you're going to get paid for just solving captchas. So starting from $1 for 1,000 solved captchas. So this is home data entry work. It has instant payments and it's easy to start. So to start on this website, all you do is just go right here where it says work for us and click on that. It's going to take you to this page. So all it does is tell you what it's all about and how it works. And it's no investment to start. You can just click right here to start earning. So right here, just telling you what type of job it is. You can use it on your mobile phone. You don't need investment to start. You get instant payments and you can work from home. So right here, it just tells you how to sign in. All you need to do is put your email and confirm your email, and you'll be able to get in your account and start solving the captchas and get paid. Now you can make anywhere from 50 cents to $1 for 1 or 2 hours of work. So it's not going to take that long to figure these things out. It might take a few seconds to figure out some letters or figure out some numbers. And you'll be able to do a lot of them in minutes. So you can easily get up to $5 to $10 in a couple of hours. Now the minimum payout is 50 cents. So you don't have to wait till you get $5, $10. After you do your first captcha, you can get 50 cents if you want to go ahead and withdraw that out. And you don't have to worry about any fees. Whatever you withdraw, that's the amount you're going to get. So you're going to get the full amount. Now speaking of withdrawal, this is the type of platforms that you need to cash out. So you can use Web Money, Perfect Money, ADV Cash, Payoneer, RTM, and also Bitcoin. And you would have to pass a simple training test. And it's real simple, guys. Now, if you want to go on Trustpilot to find out what people are saying about this website, you can. As you can see here, it says it's a 4.5 rating, and on SiteJabber, it's 4.5 rating. That's a good rating, guys. Now, here's another way you can make money on this website. They have an affiliate program. So once you join the affiliate program, you're gonna get a link like this, and you're gonna share that link with your friends. And when they click on that link and start working on this website, you're gonna earn 10% of the funds earned. Okay, guys, to get started on this website, go to captcha.com, click on Work for Us, and start solving captchas and start getting this money. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Before you click away, don't forget to hit that like button for me. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions about this website. Please share this video all around the internet because I really want to help everybody I can to make money online and become financially free. And last but not least, please hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any videos that I drop. because I make videos like this every other day. Okay guys, one last thing. If you're having trouble manifesting money in your life, I have an ebook that you can check out. And this ebook will show you how you can manifest money or anything else you want in your life using numbers. So click in my description and you will see a book about manifesting with numbers. Okay guys, thank you. I really appreciate it. Please share this video. Help this channel get to 9,000 subscribers because I'm going to do a giveaway. And on that note, get your grind on because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.